Are you tired of feeling like you're constantly breaking the bank at the grocery store? Are you tired of feeling guilty for spending too much money on takeout and eating out? Well, have no fear, because in this video, we're going to be your ultimate guide to frugal meal planning. Are you ready to transform your relationship with food and money? Let's get started. Understanding food costs. Understanding how to compare prices and make smart choices at the grocery store can be the key to sticking to your budget. And let me tell you, it's not as boring as it sounds. First things first, let's talk about comparing prices per unit of measurement. This means looking at the price per pound per ounce or per liter. By comparing prices this way, you'll be able to see which products are the best deal. This can be especially helpful when comparing different sizes or brands of the same product. Next up, we have the age-old debate of processed V's. Whole foods. Sure, that can of beans may be cheaper than a pound of fresh green beans, but the nutrient value you'll get from the fresh produce is way higher. The same goes for processed meats like sausages or bacon compared to a fresh cut of pork. So it's always worth considering the cost-benefit of what you're buying. Finally, let's talk about finding sales and discounts at the grocery store. It's no secret that grocery stores love to run sales and promotions, and it's definitely worth taking advantage of them. Sign up for loyalty programs and check out their weekly ads. Also, don't be afraid to ask the store manager if they have any unadvertised deals or discounts. Trust me, it's worth the extra effort. So, whether you're a master bargain hunter or a newbie at this, understanding food costs is the first step to saving money on groceries. Meal Planning 101. This is where the magic happens, where budgeting and delicious meals collide. Meal planning can be a game changer when it comes to saving money and sticking to your budget. First things first, let's talk about the benefits of meal planning. Meal planning can help you save money by reducing food waste and allowing you to buy ingredients in bulk. It can also help you stay on track with healthy eating goals. It can also make your life easier by giving you a clear plan for the week's meals and always having the ingredients on hand to make them. Now let's talk about how to plan meals in advance. Creating a grocery list, meal prepping, and batch cooking can all be helpful in achieving this. For example, you can plan your meals for the week and create a grocery list based on those meals. This way, you'll only buy what you need and you won't be tempted to buy unnecessary items. Meal prepping, like making a big batch of rice or quinoa on Sunday, can also be a big time saver during the week. Meal planning doesn't have to be complicated or boring. It can be as simple as having a good set of recipes that you can rotate throughout the week. And don't forget to include budget-friendly meal ideas like pasta, soups, and stews. These are not only delicious, but also easy on the wallet. So, whether you're a meal planning pro or a newbie, this is the perfect place to start. Get ready to revolutionize the way you think about food and budgeting. Shopping strategies. Grocery shopping can be a daunting task, but with a few simple tricks, you can stick to your budget and make the most of your money. First things first. Let's talk about sticking to a grocery budget. This can be achieved by creating a list and sticking to it, shopping seasonally, and avoiding impulse buys. Having a list will prevent you from buying unnecessary items and will help you stay on track with your budget. Shopping seasonally can also save you money, as fruits and vegetables are often cheaper when they are in season. And let's face it, impulse buying is the enemy of budgeting. So try to resist the urge to buy that shiny new kitchen gadget or that fancy chocolate bar that caught your eye. Next, let's talk about buying in bulk. Buying in bulk can save you money in the long run as you're getting more for your money. But be careful, you don't want to buy more than you need. So make sure to check the expiration dates and store the bulk items properly. Finally, let's talk about reducing food waste. This can be achieved by using leftovers and composting. Leftovers are a great way to save money and reduce waste, and composting is a great way to turn food scraps into fertilizer for your garden. So, whether you're a master bargain hunter or a newbie at this, these shopping strategies will help you make the most of your money and stick to your budget. Eating out on a budget. Dining out can be a great way to enjoy a night out, but it can also add up quickly. In this chapter, we'll show you how to enjoy a night out without breaking the bank. First things first, let's talk about the costs associated with eating out. Eating out can be expensive, especially when you factor in the cost of the meal, tip, and any additional drinks or desserts. But don't let that discourage you. Cooking at home can be just as enjoyable, and it can save you a lot of money in the long run. Now let's talk about finding deals and discounts at restaurants. This can be achieved by using coupons, ordering from the value menu, and looking for daily specials. And don't forget to check for happy hour specials, which can offer great deals on food and drinks. Finally, let's talk about dining out while still sticking to a budget. This can be achieved by sharing meals or ordering a la carte items. Sharing a meal can save you money, and ordering a la carte items can help you to control portion size and avoid the temptation to order additional items. So, whether you're a foodie or a budget warrior, these tips will help you enjoy a night out without breaking the bank. Meal planning for special diets. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. Eating healthy doesn't have to be expensive, and with a little bit of planning, you can stick to a budget even if you have dietary restrictions. First things first, let's talk about the additional costs associated with special diets. Special diets like gluten-free or vegan can be more expensive than traditional diets, but don't let that discourage you. There are plenty of budget-friendly options available. You just need to know where to look. Now let's talk about finding budget-friendly options for special diets. This can be achieved by buying in bulk, making homemade substitutes, and looking for deals. Buying in bulk can save you money. Making homemade substitutes can save you money and be more nutritious, and looking for deals will help you to make the most of your budget. Finally, let's talk about meal planning when following a special diet. This can be achieved by meal prepping and cooking in bulk. Meal prepping can save you time and money, and cooking can save you time and money, and cooking in bulk can ensure that you always have healthy options on hand. Meal planning for families. First things first, let's talk about the additional costs associated with feeding a family. Food for a family can add up quickly, especially when you factor in the cost of buying enough food for multiple people. But with a little bit of planning, it can be done in a budget-friendly way. Now, let's talk about feeding a family on a budget. This can be achieved by cooking in bulk, using leftovers, and involving kids in meal planning. Cooking in bulk can save you time and money, as you can make a big batch of food and have leftovers for the next day. Using leftovers can also save you money and reduce food waste. And involving kids in meal planning can be a great way to teach them about budgeting and healthy eating. Finally, let's talk about making meal planning work for busy families. This can be achieved by batch cooking, planning ahead, and involving the whole family in meal prep. Batch cooking can save you time and make meal planning easier. Planning ahead can also save you time and make meal planning easier, and involving the whole family in meal prep can make it more fun and less of a chore. And there you have it, folks. The ultimate guide to frugal meal planning. We've covered everything from understanding food costs to shopping strategies to feeding a family on a budget. We hope that this guide has been helpful in transforming your relationship with food and money. We've shown you how meal planning can be a game changer when it comes to saving money on groceries, reducing food waste, and staying on track with healthy eating goals. We've also shared tips and tricks for eating out on a budget, meal planning for special diets, and feeding a family on a budget. Now it's time for you to put this information into action. We encourage you to try meal planning and see how it can help you save money and make your life easier. And don't forget to share your own meal planning success stories and tips. We'd love to hear from you.